I'm Canadian artist Roxanne Jervis, and I'm going to show you how to use your stylus to get the bristles on the end of a brush. What I'm going to do is use two different styluses. If you only have the one, it's okay. And we're going to take concern about the narrow end and the wider end. The base of a brush, and I'm thinking more of a makeup brush here, is sort of like this, and then you have all of the bristles coming out from the top. And in order to make the brush look really good, you want to make the fatter end drawing the bristles from the front. So you can do some lines, and they don't have to all be the same ones, and make sure that they're not what I call picket fence lines, where they're all coming out at exactly the same angle and the same width apart. And then go to the narrower end and come in behind. And if you have a narrower one after that, you can put that in as well. And I'm wanting to make sure that at the top edge of this brush that I'm getting a rounded look at the top. So if you can see in here there are lines from the grooving of the bristle, and I do have to erase this one little mark here. And again, with your soft pencil, and I'm going to come from this angle because I want to start from where the bristles come out of the neck of the brush, and I'm using the full side again of the pencil. And draw the lines up. And as you get closer to the top, you will see that the narrower brushes, the lines are there. And you can continue on with just a few pencils. And next we're going to take what I call the malleable eraser, and this is where you're going to actually get more shaping of this brush. I will erase down in here, but I'm going to take my malleable eraser and I'm going to shape it, and you keep the whole malleable eraser together, you don't take little bits off. And now what I want to do is just press on the front edge a wee bit and lift some of the graphite. And then you can see you have some color variation in the bristles. If you find you need to bring a couple up again, go back and do the work. But that's the quickest way of drawing the bristles on a brush. I've decided to do a little more shading on this brush just so you can see changes that you can make in it. I'm following the curve of the brush down here by using the side of my pencil to get that in, and then the bristles on this side of the brush are more in the shadow, so I'm encouraging the darkness here. And as you get closer to the front, you'll have more light. Now you can use this for paint brushes, any kind of a brush really. This method will work really well. We really hope you do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.